In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to your Wix site. Starting with the basics, first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard homepage. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Wix website, including design, content, and settings. Now, to locate the logo settings, simply head to the search bar at the top of the dashboard and type in logo. The search bar is an incredibly useful tool for navigating Wix, especially if you're not sure where to begin. This will pull up related settings and tools within your account. In the search results, you should see an option for Logo Settings. Click on this to access the configuration page dedicated to customizing your site logo. Once you're in the logo settings, you'll want to look for the option that says Add Logo. Be sure to click on this to start the process of uploading or selecting your new logo. At this point, you have two main options. You can either choose a logo that already exists within your site files, or you can upload a new one directly from your device. If you decide to use a logo that's already on your site, simply browse through the site files and select the image you wish to use. Wix makes it easy to manage and view all the files you've uploaded before, so this is a great option if your logo is already stored there. However, if you need to bring in a new image, go ahead and click on the Upload Media option. By clicking on Upload Media, you'll be given the chance to pull in files from your PC or Mac. Within this window, you should see the Upload from Computer button. Clicking this will open up your computer's file directory, allowing you to navigate to the exact location where your logo is saved. Select the file you intend to use and confirm the upload. Once your logo has been uploaded, it will automatically appear as part of your site files. Take a moment to preview how it looks on your site and make any necessary adjustments. It's always a good idea to check how your logo appears on both desktop and mobile views to ensure it looks professional and fits well with the rest of your site's design. And that's it! You've successfully added a logo to your Wix website, enhancing your site's branding and professional appearance. Remember, the logo plays a key role in how visitors perceive your brand. So choose an image that accurately reflects your business's identity. As always, save your changes before exiting and enjoy your newly customized site. Thank you for watching and happy designing on Wix.